All right, I'm trying out something new. If you like the format, let me know in the comment section. But there's updates to these programs, and like mini updates that I couldn't make a whole video on it, but I like the features, so I'm gonna talk about it here. First off, if you ever use Newsboat, I always wanted this feature that in Vim that has it, but this one it never had it. I used a Newsbuter like a long time before Newsboat existed, and I always wanted this feature like almost like 10 years now. They never had it. And finally, they added like a couple months ago, and that is scroll off. What is scroll off? Basically, if you're scrolling, which I got a lot of feeds here. Why is it so slow now? Okay, there you go. So you ever scroll like this, right? And once you get down towards the end, you couldn't see anything. But now with scroll off, depends how how much you set it to. I set it to 10, and you can see I can see the bottom now before I even scroll all the way down, and that's what it does. So as soon as you scroll, you'll see like whatever is coming up next. The default behavior, it made no sense. I always hated the scrolling thing, and this was a Vim feature. So if you ever use a Vim, Vim here, you can scroll off, and you see I can see at the bottom before I even hit the bottom what it is, or even the top. If I go to the top, I can see what's coming until I hit the top, and that's scroll off. That's what we're gonna do here, and basically all you gotta do is add this into your Newsboat config, and just set scroll off and whatever number you want. I put 10 so I can like try to stay in the middle when I'm scrolling, so I can see what's coming before I hit there, either top or the bottom. So that's a cool feature they have. And when did that came out? A couple months ago, around September, so 2020. So you have version 2.21, and this feature, I mean, honestly, I like I said, I used Newsbuter way before Newsboat existed. I always wanted that. I believe a lot of people requested that too, but it never came. And then finally, 2020, it happened. All right. So scroll off, you can use that in Vim too if you want. But that's what you can do in here in Newsboat. All right. Next one, what are we gonna have here? We have curl. I actually had to use this in a script a couple months ago, but finally they added a feature where you can actually set the output path. Because before you couldn't do it. You had to like yeah, here we go. You have to cd into the directory, and then you can use curl, and then it will actually download whatever the file is to that folder, which like other programs you can do that without like cding to the directory. Like people use wget for that, but sometimes you need curl because curl handles HTTP better. So you would have to use curl. So you have to waste your time writing cd into this command, and then downloading it, and then cd into a different folder, and then download. It was stupid. And then finally they added this. I can't believe it took them that long to add this feature, but it's finally here, and you can actually set your your output directory. So let's say, for example, you have temp here, right? And where's our 9 here? We don't need this one anymore. So we can do, did I copy that? No, I didn't. Copy, and then I'll get we'll get this picture here. Copy image address, right? And we just put this, and look at that. It'll actually go to my temp folder, and I can do what's this image here? Basket. Okay, so I can do ucollege temp basket, and look at that. We have a picture of that real quick. We don't have to like cd into the directory and then curl it and all that. What a waste of time. Finally they add this thing. When did they add this thing? So it was around September of 2020, right? But I used it like in the script around Christmas time and stuff like that. Anyways, better late than never, but still cool feature that you can actually do now. So you don't actually have to use wget to do that anymore. Or you have to use like cd commands to directory. It was stupid. But anyways, you can do it now using the output directory flag that you can do. All right, so check it out. I'll link you in the description if you want to read this up. They have other features, but that was the main one that annoyed me, and now they have it. All right. Next thing, Dragon. This one was kind of recent because I made a video like a couple of weeks ago, and it didn't have like always on top. Finally, the brother added always on top, which for this program you need it. You know, it's like common sense feature, and finally it's here. So you don't have to use my lame script anymore. All right, you can just use the flag here. It's just -t or -- on top, and it will be on top. So let me give you an example here. What was that one that we just did? That basket thing, right? So we do -t, capital T it is, and then we do temp, and we use that basket thing here. And look at that. So here is our picture, right? You can see that this is our picture, and I can click anywhere and it will be on top. So you can drag it to to upload an image or something like that to Imager or whatever it is, or upload a video, whatever file you want, right? And you have always on top. Thank you, finally. So I don't have to waste my time with my script and carrying my .dot files anymore. I'll just delete it. So there you go, a little update for those 3 programs. Let me know if you like this type of videos where I'm talking about like just mini features or mini updates to different programs that I still use. And if you like it, I'll probably do more on other programs in the future. That'll be it for this one.